If you're looking for ways to promote your Livestorm webinar on social media, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the best strategies for getting more eyes on your Livestorm webinar and driving signups without wasting any time. Livestorm is a powerful platform that lets you host webinars and online events effortlessly, and the key to making it successful is effective promotion. In this video, I'll walk you through practical tips for sharing your webinar across social media and leveraging your audience for maximum engagement. The first step is to create a compelling webinar registration page. Make sure your Livestorm page is easy to navigate and contains all the details your audience needs. This includes a catchy title, a short and impactful description of what attendees will learn, and of course, a clear call to action to register. Livestorm lets you customize this page, so it stands out and grabs attention. Once your registration page is ready, the next step is sharing it on your social platforms. Start with the obvious: Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, but don't stop there. Tailor your message to each platform and its audience. For example, on LinkedIn, make sure to highlight the professional benefits of attending the webinar, and on Facebook, focus on the personal aspects and the takeaways. Social media posts should be short, sweet, and to the point. Use engaging visuals like banners, video snippets, or even a teaser trailer to increase interest. Livestorm integrates well with video, so take advantage of its features to create short clips or previews of your upcoming webinar that you can share on Instagram and TikTok. These platforms thrive on short-form video content, so use it to your advantage. When promoting your Livestorm webinar, don't forget about timing. Posting during peak engagement times is crucial. Early mornings or evenings on weekdays tend to see the highest traffic on most platforms. Additionally, use the right hashtags to help your posts get discovered by a larger audience. On Twitter, for example, adding a few targeted hashtags related to your industry can make a huge difference. A great tactic on social media is to create a countdown or reminder posts. Livestorm allows you to track when someone registers for your webinar, so you can remind them a day or two before the event. You can also use social media stories, where you can post countdown stickers or share last-minute updates to build urgency. It's all about keeping the buzz alive. Don't forget the power of influencers and collaborations. If you have partners, industry leaders, or influencers with a relevant audience, ask them to share your webinar. Livestorm makes it easy to create a shareable registration link, and influencers will appreciate how simple it is to promote without extra steps. This can bring a whole new audience to your event. Now, here's a pro tip. Don't limit your promotion to just the time leading up to the event. After the webinar is over, repurpose the content into bite-sized pieces for social media. Share key takeaways, quotes, or even the full recording as a way to re-engage with your audience. You can even tease your next event or offer exclusive content to those who registered. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to effectively promote your Livestorm webinar on social media and start seeing better engagement and attendance. And remember, you can start using Livestorm for free through the exclusive link below and get access to some awesome bonuses. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your webinar promotion strategy.